Here's the confession I have to make. On the very first year that we spent here in the US from the Philippines, we did not use the dishwasher. I just did. Yes, I'm the one who takes care of the of washing the dishes usually each night. So we took care of the dishes just by hand washing in the sink. And then we realized, oh, we have a dishwasher. Why don't we use it? And so we made one big mistake. We did not watch a YouTube video just to see how a dishwasher works. So here's what we did. We took the dishwashing liquid and put it into the place where you put the dishwashing pack and ran the dishwasher. And you know what happened next? Of course, there were so many bubbles, so many suds that spilled onto our floor in our previous apartment. And so we ended up cleaning it up and then we had to watch a video how to use it. So maybe that's why you're here watching this video as well. Let me show you how to use this to save time in cleaning and washing your dishes at home.